Hey guys, it's Tabby. Welcome back to another Wild Horse Islands video. And today, the Dutch Warmblood / Blizzard Island remodel update came out, and I'm going to be checking it out with you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, I would have this posted sooner, but my Wi-Fi has been acting a bit slow. So it took me like an hour even to get into the game, but that's alright because we are here now and I'm going to be looking for some Dutch Warmbloods. Okay, so wow, this is very interesting. I remember Blizzard Island to be a lot smaller than this, and I'm guessing this is what the Dutch Warmblood looks like. So the coat on this one is Wild Bay. And I think that's personally a really cute coat name. Well, it's already a coat in real life, but still, it looks very cute, and I hope we can be able to find one. But I also have no idea where the spawns are, so I'm gonna have to try to find one. And if I find one, I will be using this prismatic lasso to catch it. Also, I've been sick for some days. Sorry about my nose sniffling if I'm saying something, but that's alright, I guess. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. Oh yeah, I'm a public server. If I didn't already say that, I might have. Anyways, the new island is looking quite interesting. I'm kind of interested to have more mountain-like islands, since the mountain island got a remodel and it's practically a giant puzzle. And I still haven't been able to solve it yet, but I'll get there someday. If any of you guys know where all the spawns are, please tell me, because that would be amazing. So this is, I'm guessing, where you could get quests. Is that what it is? Or what is this? Travel trailer unlocked. You've unlocked the Glacial Summit travel trailer. You can now travel here from other travel trailer locations wherever you like. Oh, so it's kind of like a teleport across the map sort of thing. That's pretty cool. Alright, we have a quarter horse up here. We have an Icelandic up here. I'll catch this. I'm not gonna use a prismatic lasso though. I'll just go with a stone. I'm pretty, not interested in crafting other lassos. And I don't even know if I have any rope, so. Alright. Got that. So I guess I know where a few of them are now, but I will not be able to remember it, for real. Anything down here? Nope. It's like this very peak. Can I harvest this? Because I thought you could harvest snowballs or something. I heard someone say that. Okay, exit. Press stop. Oops. I just keep checking the chat in case someone catches one of the Dutch Warmbloods. I'm interested to know what more codes there are. It's just like this giant plain. Look at all this. It's very empty, it feels like. Honestly, I kind of like the normal Blizzard Island, like the other one, more than this one. But I'll probably like this one better eventually once I learn all the spawns. Oh, there's Snowman Island down there. You can still become the corncob nose. In case you don't know how to do that, you just stand in the middle of the eyes and the mouth, which is like where the nose goes. Okay, I am probably running nowhere at this point, so I'm gonna go to a different island. Actually, no, I'm gonna go to my private server. I'll probably have better luck in there since there aren't people going around catching them. Okay, I'm actually not gonna go to a different island. Let's see, I'll go Royal. Royal hasn't been remodeled yet. Oh my god, okay. Didn't expect to rattle there. Okay, are there anything good for sale? Nope, just a Percheron and a Carmelo Aquateki. Okay. Alright, Andalusian right there. Paint Horse up there. Is there anything else? Because the spot's kind of like moved, I guess. Like maybe they accidentally like selected the map and moved it or something. I don't know. Fjord there. Horror Horse there. Another fjord. Let's see what's up here. Aquateki. What's here? Quarter Horse and helps me see the spawns if I do this. Where's the other horse? Where is it at? Is it in the water? Or is it on the mountain? Okay, I don't really know where it is, but that's fine, I guess. There's like a lot more spawns to go, so I'm not really worried about one, unless it's like one of the Dutch Warmbloods. That would make me so mad. Okay, Shakiri ran out of stamina. I'll go with Thorn. Actually no. What about Zephyr? Nope. Okay, Finley. Okay, Finley has some stamina. That'll work. Alright, just a Mustang here. There's the travel trailer again. A different one, I mean. Okay, and just an Andalusian here. Actually, I'm just gonna skip until I find one, because I don't want you guys watching this for an hour, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I actually just caught a Dutch Warmblood. I didn't get it on camera, because I was actually running across with my prismatic lasso open, and I accidentally used it, and it turns out, I caught the Dutch Warmblood, but she is really cute. She has a black coat with a short gray mane and a medium gray tail, and had a 1 out of 691 chance of spawning, which isn't really high, but still, I still love her, and she is my first one. But it's still, let's just not focus on the fact that I accidentally swung my lasso, not even knowing that it was a Dutch Warmblood. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe for future content. And I'm Tabby, and I'm out.